In this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Charles Schwab, Robinhood, and Fidelity. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Let's start by talking about Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is known for its strong research tools, full service features, and customer support. It offers commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs and has a wide range of investment options, including mutual funds, bonds, and futures. Schwab also provides access to retirement accounts, educational resources, and branch locations. However, its platform might feel overwhelming for beginners, and some advanced features are more geared toward experienced investors. Now, let's talk about Robinhood. Robinhood is popular for its simple and clean interface, making it beginner friendly. It offers commission free trading for stocks and options, and even crypto. It's a mobile first platform, easy to use, and quick to get started with. However, it lacks advanced research tools, and the customer service has been criticized for being limited. It's more suitable for casual investors rather than those looking for deep portfolio management or retirement planning. Finally, Fidelity. Fidelity offers a strong all around experience with zero commission trades, robust research tools, and excellent customer service. It supports a wide range of accounts, including errors, and has a reputation for reliability. The platform also offers fractional shares and automatic dividend reinvestment. The downside is that the interface may not be as modern or user friendly as Robinhood's, and some of its advanced tools may take time to learn. So that's basically the main differences are between Obsidian and GoodNotes, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.